like spinach? Spinach? Down at the other end.
No, that's kale.
Spinach is at the other end.
Behind it.
Justin's it.
Oh.
I can try some spinach.
Sure. If there's any left.
Oh, there is.
It's very
Tired,
nice, very mild.
Jim?
Yep.
Not as strong as kale.
Come on, Nathan. Let's go.
Do you see the frog?
I almost stepped on it. Sweet. Love it sweet.
Oh,
Yeah.
that was it.
That was it. No, there's it.
No, it's
The
not.
Nolan punk.
Whose is that? There's a lot more kale.
Hey, Justin, run!
How was your pizza?
I thought there was none. You know, square cups don't really work. It all came out the side.
Give your face a wipe on your shirt there.
Yeah.